Welcome to the another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn about increment and decrement operators. Increment operator adds 1 to the variable, to the its variable. It is used with the some variables. Decrement operator minus subtracts 1 from its variable. If x equal to 10 and if we do x plus, now x has the value 11 because it will add 1 to the variable x. X equal to 10 and we will do x minus, now x has value 9 because the value of 9 will be subtracted by the 1. It will subtract 1 from its variable. X plus is also like this, x equal to x plus 1. So its value will be, if x value has 10, then after the operation its value will be 11. X minus, it is also like that, x equal to minus 1. If x has value 10, then its last value will be 9. Both the increment and decrement operators can either precede prefix or follow postfix, the operand. X plus is a postfix form. Plus x is a prefix form. You can also do this plus x. But in both there is some difference. There is an important difference in prefix and postfix forms. If you are using prefix form, then increment or decrement will be done before the rest of expressions. If you are using postfix form, then increment and decrement will be done after the complete expression is evaluated. If you do x plus, then it will first use the expression. It will first use the expression or use the variable then add 1. And if you do x plus x, then it will add 1 to the variable, then use the expression or variables. So let's run on the program and you will see the difference in both. I am deleting this code and writing some other code. If I have variable x equal to 10, and I will do x plus, and I will print the value of the x. So its value will be 11 because it will add 1 to the value of x variable. But if I do like this, plus x, so what will the value of the x? Its value will be also 11. And if we use this in expressions or I use in a print statement, the cout statement, then you will see the difference. So it will print the value of x variable and add 1. After the program, the value of x is 11, but we are getting 10 because we use a postfix. Postfix will be use or evaluate the expression and then add the value. And if we do like this, again print the value of x. Now x is the value 11. So it's 10 and 11. And if I do like this, so its value will be now 11 because it will add the value and then print the x. So 11 and 11. So this is a difference in postfix and prefix. This is also work for the decrement operator. So 99, it's not 99, it's 99. And if I do, so its value is first is 10 and its It is using variable x, print value of x, and then after the printing it is adding one subtracting one from the variable x. So in the next line we are seeing the difference. The first variable, first cout is giving value 10, and second one is giving value 9. Same rules follow for increment and decrement. If I do x equal to 10 and we will print x plus plus, I have done practically and show you the difference in both. It will show the value 11. And if I do, its value will be 11. So this is the difference. In this one, x plus plus, it will print the value of x, which is 10, because it uses the postfix form. So it will print the value of x, then add 1 to the in the x variable. And after this statement, if you print again the x, then its value will be 11. And if I do plus plus x, it means prefix form. It will first add 1 in x, then use the expression or print the variable. In this x, first increment 1 in x and then print the value of x. So that's all for today. We will learn more in next videos.